What is up, everybody? Happy Thanksgiving. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing an unboxing or an opening of the sack. We have the November 6 sack here. It's a monthly subscription you can get at 6cents.com. But first of all, check it out. We got a freaking teal bag here. It's the first one that I've gotten in this color. Most of them have been black or blue. But without further ado, let's get in here and let's check it out. Let's see what they sent this month for the month of November. So first off, we got a Quake 80 suspending 80 millimeter half ounce, dives 2 to 3 feet in the bluegill spawn. It's a lipless crankbait, as you would say. But let's check it out. Let's get it out of the box real quick. Check that out right there. Oh my God, some amazing colors there. The detail on here is just crazy. That is a good looking bait, and I cannot wait to throw this out there in the water in Lake Travis. Next one we got here is the Cloud 9 Mini Mag SB 3.8. It's a 7/8 ounce, dives 3 to 6 feet in the gizzard shad color. Let's see here. Look at that. I love anything in purple. If you guys know me, I love anything that has that purple color in there. It's a nice square bill crankbait here. It looks super good. Love the details on it. Love the colors. Just love the colors. Next out, we have the Crush 50X 6 millimeter 3/8 ounce, dives 2 to 5 feet in the Jank Juice. It's a pretty interesting name there, but let's check it out here. Get it out of the box. And this one also, you know, has the purple color into it as well. It's a square bill as well. It's got nice purple on top there, and it goes to that little yellow, yellowish green, and then some white on the bottom. Love anything, like I said, anything in purple, I just love to throw. So, and also we have, see there's one more, we have the Crush Mini 25 in the Chrome Thread Fin. I have another Mini 25, but I think it's just the Mini 25. This one's the Mini 25X, but it's in a deep dive crank, and this one is in a square bill, same size as the other one. But look at that, look at the color on there. You can see just some blues and greens in there. It just looks really good. This is another one I'm excited to throw, because the other day I caught, you know, some good quads and some good largemouth on the deep dive, so this would be another awesome one to throw, and I can't wait. Then we have some 4-inch swim baits in the Whales. These are an exclusive color in the Shad Scream. You can see that in there. I'll pull one out just real quick so you guys can see it a little bit better. I have not thrown these Whales yet, but look at that. Look at that color, if y'all can see it there. Really nice. I only thrown the Divines, but these are my first Whales, so I'm excited to get these. They're in the 4-inch swim bait size. So then also we have the Axis Swinging Swim Jig. So I haven't had one of these. I do have some of their swim jigs, but this one also has like a pivot point in here, if you can see that right there. I'm not gonna pull it out, but you can definitely check these out. They have a pivot where the hook goes up and down. So that one's really cool. This is in the Gizzard Flash. You can see that there. Very cool. And then the last one is the Bladed Swim Bait hooks in a 3/0 3/16 size. A couple there. Don't have any of these with the blade on them. I do just have some regular ones, but these would be nice to throw those. Pair these up with those Whales here. Put these together. It'd be nice. So these are very cool. So that's it for the November 6 Sense Sack. If you enjoyed it, go check them out, 6sense.com. They have everything you need on there, from swim baits to plastics to hard baits, everything, rods, apparel, everything on there. So go check them out, and hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not already, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, go check out some of the other ones, hit the bell for notifications for all the upcoming videos that we plan on doing. And happy Thanksgiving again. Hope to see you out on the water. Thanks for watching.